Today, we are going to learn how to choose statistics for testing relationship for two or more variables and statistics to be used in predicting outcomes. Selecting the appropriate statistics is highly essential in every quantitative research project. Incorrect selection of the statistical tool to be used in the data analysis will definitely influence the interpretation and will create a serious problem in the whole course of the study. Probably a researcher might provide a wrong conclusion or even a wrong recommendation because of the incorrect use of statistical tool. Therefore, it is highly essential for a researcher to select the appropriate statistics to be used in the data analysis of the research project. Suppose a researcher is interested in testing relationships between two or more variables. Questions like, is there a significant relationship between variable A and variable B? If that is the scenario, the first question that a researcher must ask, what is the level of measurement of these variables? If the answer is nominal, then Pearson's chi-square is the appropriate statistics to use. But what about if your variables are measured in an ordinal level? Spearman's or Kendall's tau is the appropriate statistics. However, in the conduct of quantitative research, some of the variables are measured in a continuous level. If that is the case, the next question that a researcher must ask, are the parametric assumptions met? The main assumption for testing relationships with variables that are measured in a continuous level, data sets should be normally distributed and are linear. If the answer is yes, Pearson's correlation is the appropriate statistics. But if your data sets have violated these assumptions, Spearman's or Kendall's tau is the appropriate one. Suppose a researcher is interested in predicting outcomes. Research questions like, what are the factors that significantly predict students' likelihood in passing or failing the exam? Or probably a researcher wants to answer the question, do knowledge and awareness significantly predict extent of practice in following the health safety protocols? If that is the case, then the researcher must ask the question, how is the dependent variable measured? What is the level of measurement of the dependent variable, of the outcome variable? If the answer is nominal, then logistic regression is the appropriate one. But what about if the dependent variable is measured in an ordinal level? Ordinal regression is the appropriate statistics. However, in the conduct of quantitative research, some of the variables are measured in a continuous level. The researcher must ask this question, do you have more than one predictor variable? If your answer is yes, then multiple linear regression is the appropriate statistics to use. But if you only have one predictor variable, simple linear regression is the appropriate one. Today, we learned choosing statistics for testing relationship for two or more variables and statistics for predicting outcomes.